With the words artillerymen of the Royal Brigade broke up a column of Russian invaders, the Ukrainian 24th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Ground Forces said they carried out the attack in the eastern Ukrainian region of Luhansk Oblast by destroying a column of Russian tanks in rural Luhansk. The video shows over a dozen Russian tanks and BMPs covered by our art in the Luhansk region. This column was first stopped and later destroyed. Ukraine's military says it has launched a major counteroffensive in the south of the country as it seeks to recapture territory taken earlier by Russian troops, even as Kremlin forces continue to blast eastern Ukraine in their drive to take the crucial Donbas region. The Ukrainian Southern Command on July 12 said it had struck an ammunition depot in the Russian-held town of Novokakhovka, resulting in a massive blast captured on social media and the deaths of several Russian soldiers. Based on the results of our rocket and artillery units, the enemy lost 52 soldiers, an Msta-B howitzer, a mortar, and 7 armored and other vehicles, as well as an ammunition depot in Novokakhovka, Ukraine's Southern Military Command said in a statement. Novokakhovka is about 55 kilometers east of the key Black Sea port city of Kherson, which was taken by Russian forces early in the war. Also in the Kherson region, Ukrainian military intelligence said on July 12 that its troops had rescued 5 Ukrainians in a special operation in an area occupied by separatist forces. 5 Ukraine citizens held by the Russian occupiers were released during a special operation by Ukrainian military intelligence forces, it said. A statement identified the people rescued as a military serviceman, a former police officer, and 3 civilians. One had serious combat wounds, it added without providing further details. The Ukrainian military earlier said it had assembled a massive force in preparation for a counter-offensive in the south as it seeks to retake key seaports, including Kherson, captured earlier by Russia following its February 24 invasion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.